Welcome back! Today is
My birthday.
Maxine's birthday. She's now, how old are you?
5.
5 years old. And then we're going to,
My birthday.
where are we going now?
In the swimming pool.
In the swimming pool. We're going to Casa Ederlinda. Yan, kasi nag-request siya ng swimming. It's another video kasi sawang-sawa na ako sa mga pinapanood niyang video. Yung mga previous video namin. Tahimik lang si Maurice.
Huh?
Maurice!
Mami, tawag si Mami.
Ayun lang, see you later.
Mami,
See you later.
See you later.
Super excited si Maxine.
Mami, okay.
Tagal niya inantay yung birthday niya. Diba ate?
A few minutes later.
Guys, we're here na. So ito guys yung place. Yan, ito yung parking. Yan, malawak yung parking. And then doon, pwedeng magluto, pwedeng kumain. Malawak. And then, doon sa part na yun, sa likod ng house, pwede kang maglaro ng soccer. Ayan, diba? Sobrang lawak. Ito yung likod niya. Then, meron dalawang bathroom dito. CR. And then here, ito yung parang back door. Dito, pwedeng yan. And then, meron silang free 1 gallon water. Ito yung kitchen, guys. Yan. Actually, pagdating namin dito, neat, very neat talaga yung place na to. So, may mga gamit na kami and ayan. So, nag-ready na kami ng food for Maxine's birthday celebration. Ito yung handa niya. Ayan. So, pwede naman daw magsabit. Scotch tape lang yan. So, hindi naman madadamage yung blinds. And then, ang ganda guys ang ganda ng place. So, very worth it talaga. Imagine, actually, parang ang mura niya para sa place na to. And sobrang bait ng owner and caretaker. Tapos, kompleto sa mga gamit, guys. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, kanila lahat yan. Baso, and plate, spoon, fork. Tapos, may mga gamit din sila. Ay, nagamit na. May mga gamit sila, knife. Yan. So, meron din silang rice cooker. Meron ding oven over there. And then, yan. Aesthetic yung electric fan, diba? Ito naman yung living room. So, after ng kitchen, ito yung living room na, kung makikita nyo, malawak din siya. Merong malaking TV. Yan. Very neat din. Tapos, ito yung tatlong room, guys. 1, 2, and 3. So, yung first room, kayang maka-accommodate ng 4 person. Isa sa taas, dalawa sa baba, and then isa dito sa baba. Meron din siyang cabinet. And then here, naman sa second room, may 4 beds. And kaya maka-accommodate ng 2 for 6 persons. Dalawa sa taas, 4 sa baba. And then sa third room naman, which is yung master bedroom. Ito siya, guys. And ang ganda. Ayan. Ito lang yung bedroom na merong bathroom. And tingnan nyo, guys, yung bathroom nila. Yan. Ito yung cabinet. Yan. So, pwede nyo ilagay yung mga gamit nyo dyan. And then, ito, guys, yung bathroom. Ito yung bathroom. Yan. Diba ang ganda? Neat talaga. As in, ang bango. Tapos ang aliwalas, talagang kung gusto mo mag-relax, dito ka makakapag-relax. So ito naman yung main door. Yan, lalabas tayo sa main door. Ah, diba? Ang ganda ng tanawin. Ito yung main door. Ayan. So, ayun yung parking lot. Tapos, pwede ka ditong mag-tennis table. Then, doon naman, videoke. Ayan, si mama nagbi-videoke. Ayan, tennis table. And then, may swing dito. Hello! Ay, tulog.
What?
Birthday girl. So, nalawak guys ng place. Tapos, ito na yung pool. Ito lang yung pool. Ayan. So, di pa kami nag-swimming kasi. Ayan. And heated pool. Tapos, alam ko, merong bathroom din dito para just in case na maliligo kayo sa pool, hindi nyo kailangan pumasok ng basa. So, eto. Yan, may shower room. And meron nga din dito. Yung CR. May CR din dito. So, ito na yung back. Diba? Diyan kayo pwede mag-play ng soccer, football. I can say na isa to sa mga recommended kong napuntahan kong resort. As in, marelax ka talaga. Sa Amadea to, so malapit sa Tagaytay. Cool weather. Tapos, hindi polluted. So, alam niyo na guys.
Meanwhile,
Happy birthday, Maxine. Say hi to the camera.
Hi! Today is my birthday.
How old are you now?
5.
5 years old.
I'm 5 years old.
Casa Ederlinda. Ito. Diyan o. Ano yung... May camera ba yan? Ah, may camera. Lakas ng hangin ah. Hindi kaya. Paano ito buksan? Merong arcade street fight.
Hi! Say hi!
Hi.
Hi! Whose birthday is it today?
My birthday.
It's your birthday? I thought it's mine.
I said I didn't hear it.
Oh, how old are you now? What's the scratch tape?
5.
You're 5?
Yeah.
Are you old?
No.
Oh, you're not old. Hi, Queenie. Say hi. Hi, girly.
Look, it's over there.
Here's Wawa. Say hi, Wawa. Hi, Wawa. Hi. Ay, Wawa ka dyan.
Balloon.
Yeah. Are you happy?
Balloon.
Hi, girly. Hi. Hi. Dance on the Pasco. Through the town. You don't want any more balloons? So I'm gonna pop it all.
I know I have balloon. I want balloon.
You want
Oh.
balon?
Paano tinipan? Okay na.
Di ba meron kayong malaki?
Wala na ba yung ano?
I'll go, you take a video for you. Ay, tatanggalin natin.
Go, Tata! We are ready September 14. Slowly. It's windy.
If you're happy and you do it, clap your hands. Why are you clapping? I look happy.
I know. I'm the stick on video. I'm going to video the swimming pool video. Daddy, I see a worm. Daddy, I see a worm. Oh, thank you. Cheese.
Cheese.
There we go.
Hi. Pakilala mo si baby mo, Riz. Hi guys. Here's my baby sister.
Yes.
Go.
It's
Pakilala mo si baby mo, Riz. Hi guys.
Hi, hi guys. I have a baby. See here. No, she don't want. That's not a big dog.
A few inches later.
Ito yung in-order kong cake for Maxine since ang theme niya is rainbow. Ayan, so ang flavor na pinili namin is mocha. And then bumili ako ng candle. Ito yung candle niya. Hi! Yeah. Preparing na.
Yay! Is it my birthday?
Is it your birthday? No. Happy birthday, ate!
Thank you. Yummy marshmallow.
Yummy marshmallow. Paayusan ko na si Maxine since mag-4 na. And 5 o'clock mag-start yung celebration niya. Ayusin ko siya ng kaunti. Basta pag-alito.
I want this stick. Mom.
Look here.
Is Mom not in almost here?
Opo.
I like balloon.
It's just a lip balm. So, ito yung ginagamit ko rin, Vaseline. Lip balm siya. So, healthy sa lips. Naisi, anak? Wow, you look so pretty naman.
Can I go?
Oh, look at yourself. Happy birthday, ate! What is your wish?
Huh?
What is your wish?
Where's Mama Len?
Where's Mama Lynn? Mama Lynn will go here nga po. Later. If it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, they will come here now, okay? What's your, wish?
Later.
Do you have any wish?
Later.
Later pa. Okay po.
When you tell me, I will tell you a wish.
Okay.
Wait, where we're going?
Let's go to the swimming pool.
I want to put
That's okay. Go.
the swimming pool.
Mm-mm.
Meanwhile,
Hi! Hi! You're so beautiful, my love. Huh? You are so beautiful. Hacho! You are so beautiful.
Happy birthday, Max. Happy birthday, Maxine! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Maxine! Wish mo na ikaw, baka blow. Wish mo na. What your wish? What's your wish?
Thank you!
Oh, sige, blow! One more! More!
Happy birthday, Maxine!
Happy birthday, Maxine!
Ayan, panay Coke, oh.
Ay, hindi akin.
Ay, hindi. Say hi, everyone! Yan po yung broccoli. Luto po yan ni Rowel. Opo, judge niyo po.
Deep broccoli ha.
Opo,
Baka maging ano yan ha? Kumin lang ako ng...
siya po nagluto niya.
Sanay isa ko yan. Ikaw ba? Anong kinuha mo? Tingnan natin yung big broccoli ni Ruel kung ano.
Ngayon na po na. Mali nga po, dapat pala
Kung
pag
tama.
panghanda, i-stir fry ko muna yung broccoli kasi niwalay ko.
Oo, siyempre.
Para maganda yung itsura pagka
Nilagay pa rin.
nilagay sa sa plato.
Parang i-google mo muna na konti.
Pero okay naman.
Open.
Okay, open!
Dali. Wow! Wow! Map! Tsaka dustpan! Wow! Pwede mo sa
What is that? You're gonna clean the house? Yay! Di ko ako naglilinis eh. Wow! Parang kailangan ko din yan. Magkano yan? You're gonna help Mama to clean the house? What's the cleaning supplies? Sino nagregalo nito? Video ko kasama sa naman. Wow! What's that?
Toy.
Oh, you open niya. You bring it out. What's that?
Ano pan?
Oh, that's what? What more? What's that? Oh, you bring it out. This one, what's this? Oh, what's inside pa? You going to clean the house? Ah? Oh, say thank you muna. Say thank you. What?
Thank you.
Oh, what's that? What's that? What did you say muna? What's that? It says, oh look, it says magic,
Nugget.
glow
Glow.
in
In
the dark
the dark.
blanket.
Blanket.
Oh,
Open. Open.
buksan mo daw.
What's your gift?
Yeah.
Oh, open mo. Open mo na.
Wow, what is this? Now you're gonna clean the house.
Wow! It's a glow-in-the-dark blanket. Oh, you look inside the dark room. Oh, come on. Yo. Wait. There! Do you see it?
Yeah.
You need to...
Kailangan mo tagal.
Okay.
Look.
Oh. Oh! Wow! What did you say?
Thank you.
Okay, let's go na. Go. What's that, baby?
That's the
What's that? What's that? It's a hat. Oh, you try to wear it. Wow! Oh, look at Tata, look at Tata. You look so pretty. What did you say?
thank you.
Yes. Oh.
Kahit ako nakalam ko mag-
Nakain pa pala si Max.
Mami, chok yung banat mo eh.
Mga takaw. Mga pang-apat na nila.
Hindi naman.
Mga pang-lima lang.
Ayoko na nga.
Here's Ate Maxine, very masipag. Wow! Naglilinis na. Hanapin natin. Finding Daddy. Finding Daddy. Finding Daddy. I think Daddy is cooking. Did he? Oh. Dad? No? Hi. Hey guys, so it's 10 o'clock in the evening. At mag-swimming kami ni Rowel. Yan, kami dalawa lang. So, hindi naman ganun kalamig yung pool. Kaya okay lang. Let's see. Let's see. Ah. Oo nga, hindi siya ganun kalamig. Pero hindi siya mainit. Guess niyo ba? Yan. Tolerable siya. Knowing na sa Amadea ito malapit sa Tagaytay. So, cool weather. Ayun. Ito yung pool, guys. Yan, sa gabi. Bakit naman Bakit naman naman ko anong ginawa? Tagal naman na. Oh, sige. Ayan, sige. Ano, sinabi ko sa'yo, diba? Hindi yan para sa'yo. Ay, naku. Pag napanood to ni Max, tatawa yun. Sabi niya, Daddy, that's mine. Sweet talaga yung sa kapatid niya. Sleeping na. Gusto pa niya manood ng TV. It's 11:30 p.m. Nakatulog na sa ating Maxine. And si Maurice ay nakikipaglaro. Hello! Ay, naku. Napaka-cute.
The next day.
Morning. Still sleeping. Good morning! Love niya talaga yung blanket niya. Good morning, my love. Kiss mommy. Eat muna ikaw, then we're gonna swim. Morning, kiss. Love you.
Pancake egg or puto?
Basketball.
What?
Basketball.
What ba siya ba? Ano ba yun?
Akin na, amigo.
Good morning, Maurice. Good morning.
Good morning, my two babies. Hello, my two babies. Ha. Ha. Good morning, love. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, ate.
What is she doing?
She's looking at you. She's happy to see you. Let's go na, let's go.
Are we going to swim?
Morning, Dad. Morning.
Hindi. Hindi.
Lakas ang ulan kagabi na.
Hindi. Ay.
It's 8:24 in the morning and it's raining. It's raining in Amadeo. Puntahan natin yung mga ating housemates. Hi, ate! What are you eating?
Banana.
Yummy? Hi, Maurice! Hi there! Maurice! Maurice! Hi! Pero parang mag-jet na malaki-laki. Ha? Punta natin si housemate Mike. Wala na to. Tanggal na to sa bahay ni Kuya at mahirap gisingin. Housemate Mike, pinapatawag ka ni Big Brother. My God! Ang hirap gisingin.
We're going to swim.
So we're gonna get ready
Yeah.
for
swimming.
swimming.
Me.
Okay, you.
We're going to get swimming.
Like this.
We're going to get swimming. I love swimming.
Okay. Ta-da!
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
It's raining here, you can swim.
Mommy.
You're gonna get wet.
What?
Tata is just joking. Hi!
I.
Hi, love! 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 Hi, Love